As caregivers, the well-being of those we assist remains paramount, and one major aspect of this is nutrition. Cooking healthy meals directly contributes to better physical and mental health for individuals in our care. A well-rounded diet enriched with essential nutrients enhances energy levels, boosts immunity, and improves overall vitality. Caregiving is a demanding and selfless role, often leaving little time or energy for self-care. Yet, maintaining a healthy diet is crucial for both the caregiver's well-being and the person they care for. This guide explores strategies for preparing nutritious meals that are both delicious and easy to prepare, even in the midst of a busy caregiving schedule. Understanding the importance of nutrition for caregivers. Physical health. A balanced diet provides the energy and nutrients needed to sustain the physical demands of caregiving, reducing the risk of fatigue, illness, and burnout. Mental health. Nutritious foods support brain function, mood regulation, and overall mental well-being, helping caregivers cope with stress and maintain resilience. Emotional well-being. Cooking can be a therapeutic activity, offering a sense of control, creativity, and connection to oneself and others, tailoring meals to individual needs. Dietary restrictions. Consider any dietary restrictions or allergies of the person you care for, such as food sensitivities, diabetes, or heart conditions. Appetite changes. If the person's appetite has decreased, focus on nutrient-dense foods in smaller portions. Special needs. For individuals with swallowing difficulties, prepare soft, easily digestible foods or consult with a speech-language pathologist for specialized dietary recommendations. Meal planning and preparation strategies. Weekly meal planning. Create a weekly meal plan to streamline grocery shopping and cooking. Consider incorporating leftovers into new dishes to reduce food waste and save time. Batch cooking. Prepare larger quantities of meals or components of meals to freeze or refrigerate for later use. Quick and easy recipes. Opt for recipes that require minimal preparation and cooking time. Utilize pre-cut vegetables, pre-cooked grains, and ready-to-eat ingredients. Involve the care recipient. If possible, involve the person you care for in meal planning and preparation to foster a sense of independence and control healthy eating tips for caregivers. Prioritize whole foods. Choose fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues and avoid distractions while eating. Limit processed foods. Reduce consumption of processed foods high in sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Snack smart. Keep healthy snacks on hand, such as fruits, nuts, yogurt, or whole grain crackers. Recipe ideas for busy caregivers, one-pot wonders. Lentil soup, vegetable stir-fry quinoa. Bowls, quick and easy breakfasts. Oatmeal with fruit and nuts yogurt parfaits. To grasp the importance of healthy meals, consider the power of whole foods. They form the foundation of nutritious meals, providing essential vitamins and minerals that processed foods often lack. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats transforms meals into nourishing experiences. Colorful vegetables and fruits not only make dishes visually appealing, but also ensure a wide variety of nutrients reach the plate. For example, greens like spinach and kale are rich in iron and calcium, helping strengthen bones and muscles. Moreover, planning and preparing meals in advance proves essential in a caregiver's busy schedule. Batch cooking allows caregivers to have healthy options ready when time is short. Consider preparing a large pot of vegetable soup or a quinoa salad that can be enjoyed as leftovers throughout the week. These meals are not only healthy, but also comforting for individuals in care, providing them with the love and warmth they deserve during mealtime. Examples of easy and healthy meals could include a stir-fry with colorful vegetables and tofu or chicken, seasoned with low-sodium soy sauce or ginger for flavor. Another quick option is baked fish seasoned with herbs, paired with a side of roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Such meals are nourishing and can easily be customized to accommodate dietary restrictions or preferences, ensuring that everyone receives the nutrients they need. Furthermore, engaging those in care during meal preparation can foster a sense of community and inclusion. Allowing them to assist in small ways teaches them about healthy choices, while giving them a sense of ownership over their meals. Involving them in simple tasks, like washing vegetables or arranging ingredients, encourages bonding and enhances their mood, making mealtime a cherished occasion.